Amla Gooseberry remedy for diabetes. Amla gooseberry is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. It helps your pancreas to produce optimum so that your blood glucose levels remain balanced. The study that established fenugreek to be beneficial in lowering fasting blood sugar also stated that Emblica Officinalis or the amla has this same effect on glycated hemoglobin HbA1c levels. When you consume gooseberries orally in any form, it can reduce your sugar levels by stimulating the production of insulin in just half an hour. When the seeds of amla are taken in powder form, it works slowly to reduce glucose levels in blood. Ways to take amla for diabetes. Take 2 to 3 gooseberries and discard their seeds. Now grind the amla to get a fine paste. Either using a fine cloth or a sieve, squeeze out the juice from this amla paste. You should get 2 tablespoons of amla juice. Mix this 2 tablespoons of amla juice in a cup of water, mix well and have it every morning on an empty stomach. Take a cup of bitter gourd juice and 1 tablespoon of amla juice. Mix them well and have it daily for few months. When fresh amla is not available, the powder of amla fruit can be taken mixed with water. Use 1 to half a tablespoon of such powder in a glass of water. Take half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon amla powder and half a tablespoon fenugreek seeds powder. Mix them in half a glass of water. Have this daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Include amla in your daily diet. You may also have raw amla. Click the link in description below this video to get exactly how to reverse diabetes type 2.